your birthday gift, yo. Yes, I did.
When? What birthday gift?
I got your birthday gift. You got a dumpling and some ackee today.
No, and you didn't even come to my birthday lunch.
Because I told you I had to go to, I had a doctor's appointment.
It's just rude, man.
No, listen, I have to put myself first sometimes. I can't
Good.
always put you guys first.
Did Daddy not tell you how good that food was?
Yeah, he said it was expensive. You know, that's all your father care about. The expense. He's like, Joe, it was the most expensive burger I ever ate.
Please, his bill was like $30-something.
Yeah, and he said he only had a burger and a little drink, and it was $30-something. That was a very expensive burger. Well, I think I want to go there for my birthday then.
So good. It was at Shops at Don Mills.
Oh, that's where you guys went?
Yeah, you know, it was one of the landings. So there's
oh my gosh.
There's Hunter's Landing, Williams Landing.
Oh, yeah.
We went to Taylor's Landing.
Listen, I forgot how Don Mills has totally evolved into this downtown kind of feel.
It's like bougie and fancy.
Yes, bougie, girl.
Literally. You know what it kind of reminds me of? Young and Ugly.
Young and Ugly, yes. My Yorkville, too. Oh, my goodness. I got to get my clothes out, my special clothes to wear to Don Mills. I can't just wear anything to Don Mills now. I remember when Don Mills was just Don Mills Centers, Don Mills Mall. You just put on your jeans and I ran over there. Now you got to get some bougie stuff, some, you know, Michael Kors bag and your Gucci shoes and, you know, to head to Don Mills.
I have a designer purse now, so I can go.
Oh, you have a designer purse? Oh, see, I ain't got shit like that. Nobody can buy me no designer nothing. Gotta have a talk with your damn father now, you know. This is good, yeah. After so many years of marriage, I'm supposed to have everything designer now. Payback time. Yeah, that's what I want.
You're on my weave. Get off.
Oh, I'm going to tear that thing out.
No, it was expensive.
How about I rob you and take it out and put it in my hair?
Ew.
Your mother going to rob your weave with your head.